When I was 6 years old, I got to redo my room with my mom. I'd say this is when I sparked my love for design. I started Joey Vogel Interior Design in 2013. The company began with one project and the hope of getting another one. Since 2013, we have been consistently growing to a firm that can now take on multiple projects of many different scales. My philosophy for Joey Vogel Interior Design is simple. Everyone should have access to good design. High-end looks are achievable even on the smallest budget. What separates our firm from others is our ability to be creative. For me, creativity is the best money-saving trick. If you are planning to move, renovate, or just feel you need a new kitchen or bathroom, contact us. Because at Joey Vogel Interior Design, the design is done on your budget.